In this video, I'd like to share with you a simple routine that you can use to help ground yourself, calm your mind, and get centered in the moment. Hi, I'm Jeff Chand, acupuncturist, practitioner of traditional Chinese medicine and Qigong instructor. In this day and age, so many of us are just so busy. We have so many things that we need to do, so many things that we should do, and so many things we want to do. Sometimes it's good just to stop for a little while, ground ourselves, let our mind settle, and be in the moment, here and now. If we could do a sitting meditation, sometimes that's very helpful. That's very easy to do that, and that can be very beneficial to get you into the moment. But sometimes our mind is just a little too busy, and we need a little bit more to help us ground ourselves. So Qigong is a wonderful tool because a little bit of movement, a little bit of deep breathing, focusing on moving the body a little bit is actually very good to help us get into our body. So if you're all ready to go, just stand comfortably, feet with your shoulder width apart, and just take a few deep breaths and just relax, get yourself into your body. Breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth. Good, 2 more. Okay, let's go into the ready position now. This is with your feet flat on the ground, about shoulder width apart. Just bend your knees slightly, flatten your back, make sure your back feels strong. Roll your shoulders back, tuck your chin in, and relax your hands at your side. Now we're going to start with what's called lifting the Qi. So palms are facing up, sink the weight down, breathe in as the hands come up, turn the palms, breathe out, hands go down. Breathing in, turn the palms, and breathing out, sink the weight down. Breathing in and out. Just move as fast as your body feels like going, and just really try to focus on that feeling of lifting the body up and letting it sink down into the ground. Good, I'll let you practice for a few moments on your own. Try to feel as if you're on the water, almost like you're on a boat, and it's gently going up and down with the waves. Try to coordinate your hands, your breath, and your body coming up. Your hands, your breath, your body sinking down. Good, 2 more. Sinking down. Breathing in, hands coming up, bending at the elbows. Turn the palms, breathing out, hands, breath, body, sink. Last one, breathing in and out. Good, just check in with your body, just check in. Where do you feel like you're holding yourself? In your head, in your chest, in your body, in your feet, in your head, your nose. Okay, let's do called spinal twisting. Stay nice and grounded. Keep your lower body stable, and just turn at the waist. Keep your balance. Don't fly away. Just turn gently at the waist, keeping your arms nice and relaxed. It's called spinal twisting. It's a great exercise for the back, for the spinal cord, for the neck, for cognition. It feels very playful too. Sometimes you feel like a little kid turning around in circles until they get dizzy and fall down. Just don't do that last part, getting dizzy and fall down. Just kind of be stable, really stable with your legs. Good, and come back to the center. We don't need to do that too much, just to get the Qi moving and the circulation going through the spine. That's good. Next exercise is rowing the boat. Breathing in, hands coming forward. Hold on to two imaginary oars. pull them back, and reach forward again. So breathing in as your hands come up and around, and breathing out as you're pulling those oars towards you. It's a feeling of rowing a boat, as if you're on a nice little lake like behind me here, singing opera to your loved ones. Breathing in, try to feel as if you're reaching forward, but at the same time staying grounded in your body. So reach forward, but don't lose your balance. Keep your balance, pulling back. Keeping your hands somewhat open. You don't need to clench onto that oar, just keep them open. Breathing in, breathing out. Good, 2 more. Last one, breathing in and out. Good. Next exercise is called pressing the palms. We're going to press the palms together as we sink our weight down. So take a little bit of a wider stance this time now. Again, stay stable in your legs and in your feet. If you can't stand low, that's okay. Just stand comfortably. So breathing in, hands come up to the center of the chest, pressing the palms together. Breathing out, sinking down. Breathing in and breathing out. You want to try to feel as if you're pushing your palms evenly together. And as you're doing that, you're pulling your palms into your chest and sinking your weight down. It's like you're reaching your momentum out, pulling it close to your body, into the center of your body, and sinking your weight down to the ground. This is an excellent leg exercise as well. It's great for stability, great for balance. This exercise also helps to settle any busy thoughts that are in the head and that are in the chest and in the center of the body, and let them settle down into the ground. 3 more. Breathing in, sink. Wonderful. Last one. Breathing in and out. Good. Just hold it here just for a second. Keep your palms at the center of your chest. Find a position where you feel strong and stable. You don't want to feel like you're shaking and fatiguing. Good, and relax. And come back to the center. Last exercise is called lifting the ball. You can shake out your legs, just feel comfortable. Bend your legs with one hand. Feel as if you have a little small ball in your hand, and you lift it up across your body. Turn your hands, let it come down. Other side, lift up the ball, turn the palm, come down. Lifting the ball. You want to try to stretch and turn as far as you can comfortably. You don't want to twist anything. You don't want to hear anything go twang. You don't want to hurt yourself, but you want to really try to emphasize you're feeling as if you're lifting something up, and then turn. And lifting something up. Imagine something the size of a bocce ball and something with a similar weight. So you want to feel like you're lifting something with some weight. Good. 3 more. Lifting the ball, lifting it up, down. Good, and relax. Shake out the body, shake out the arms. Okay, last exercise, we're going to do the pressing the palms again. So this time we're going to try to do it really slowly. And as we're doing that, really try to sink into your body. Try to feel the weight going through the center of your chest and down into the ground. All right, and when you're ready, breathing in and breathing out, pushing the palms together, sink. Good, 5 more on your own. Third one, trying to feel as if your body's sinking down into the ground. All your excessive thoughts are draining out of your mind. You're nourishing yourself with good thoughts, peacefulness, calmness, clarity. Last one, big in-breath and breathing out. Relax. And you are done. If you've liked this style of Qigong, come visit us at qigongforvitality.com. Here we have lots of different types of Qigong practices, some simple and short like this, and some a little bit longer. We also have the 30 Days of Qigong, which is a great 30-day program which will take you through all different types of practices, different exercises, and it will probably leave you feeling pretty good. Thanks for watching, and feel free to give us a little like if you liked it and share it with anybody that you know. We'll see you next time.